Welcome back, YouTube. I'm gonna tell y'all niggas what I've been on lately. Woot the woot, woot the woot. How to make money. Now, hold on, my chair. How to make money as a teen or a young adult or somebody. Damn, why does this? Why did the head part don't seem like it comes up high enough for me? Like, damn, cuz. Maybe it's, I'm like, I just feel like my head heavy than a motherfucker. But like I was saying, this is what I've been doing to make money lately, bro. Cause I ain't been working my job. Lately, I've been selling cars. Like, not lately, but I've been working on selling cars. It's my second car. Well, really my third. Really, I sold a lot of cars. But I sold my Mercedes Benz for like 17 something.